Today we'll talk about how can you disable this opinion the app on your wallet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first you just so it's going to show for you like this. You go down, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on security here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to open in the app, just click on this sign or this color. So then here enter your passcode. I'm going to enter it. So when you add it automatically, it's going to disable with your hair like you see. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.